Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix a Facebook unable to log in error. If you're not able to log into your Facebook, this video is for you. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your settings and go to Wi-Fi and make sure you have a stable and working internet connection. The next thing that you have to do is you have to go back and then you have to go down to General Software Update and make sure that you're using the latest software. If not, please update your software. So the next thing after that which you can do is you can go back and then you can go down and click on VPN and device management and make sure your VPN is off. If on, please turn it off. So the next thing that you can do is you can go down and go to transfer and reset phone and click on reset. And after resetting your phone and the network settings, I hope your problem will be sorted out. If not, then you can go back and then you can go to iPhone storage. Let me just see where iPhone storage is. Just give me a second. Yep, here it is. So after going here, you can go down and click on Facebook and click offload app. And after you offload the app, you can reinstall it and your problem will be sorted out. If not, you can go to App Store and then type Facebook, and then you can update your Facebook through here. There will be an option of update. You can click on update and update it and your problem will be sorted out. So that was it. Thanks for the video. I'll be back with more videos like this.